Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be done. First update that needs to be done is based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So the price is now down below this 333-ish area, give or take a few pennies. And as the rule states, you would expect it to act as resistance, and that is exactly what's played out. So price broke below it, and then you can see spent the afternoon trying to get up above it, but that's essentially where it was rejected. So that's going to be the near-term level of resistance to watch going forward. In the event the price can push back above there, the next level of resistance to watch at that point would be that purple line, which is the 50-period moving average. So keep an eye on these couple levels going forward. But the key thing now to watch is making sure that this breakdown doesn't really continue to get that much worse, because that was an important level. Up until today, that level had been doing a great job, you can see there, of holding strong. So with a breakdown here, does that mean that it's for sure going to continue to collapse? No such thing as a for sure in the market, but it's definitely a red flag in the sense of, is this the start of something bigger? So the next potential area, next kind of overall test point is going to be down here at this green line right at 315. Again, no such thing as a guarantee, so nobody can say that the price is for sure headed down to 315. But it also at this point would not be shocking at all to see the price potentially drift down there and test 315. So keep a close eye on that going forward. So all in all, though, not the best day today. Wasn't a total train wreck, so it's not like the price broke below there and then just totally collapsed. But a potential breakdown is in play here. So we'll see if the bulls can quickly kind of cut this off and get it back up above that red line, or if this is the start of something bigger. So we'll see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.